Like, I really didn't have anything good anyway. I really don't care. Really, you're gonna try to kill him? No, 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 no. No, I need armored walls. Come on, man. I really don't care. They get me. Oh man, I could have just saved you instead. Hello. I have literally none of my friends trying to play with me. One of them did, but then they're AFK for like forever. I don't even know why. Also, if you can't tell by my voice, I'm a girl. It probably might not sound, I'm a girl, but you probably can't tell. If you can, then that's great. What? No, I'm not though. My name is Josie, like in my username, 20Rosie10, Rosie. Hi, Jen. Are you just kidding? And I have a good tip for you. You can break beds and couches for gold. I found a Columbo a couple of times, but never ever have I found Columbo when I have Columbo berries already. Like seriously, that happens. I don't know why. That's what me and my friend Emma do. We do that. Yeah. I'm surprised we haven't seen people yet. Usually we would see somebody by now. Oh, that's new. Quackling was never in here. The duck place was literally empty. It's always empty. Well, I kind of am too, but I've been playing this game for longer. I'm surprised you had that rap. I do too. Yep. I really have a bunch of skins though, but I only wear certain ones. Like this one, I just feel like wearing. I usually wear a fish skin, so I just feel like wearing this one. Yep. Yeah, no, usually anybody would see somebody. Maybe this place is just empty today. Nobody wants to go here today, apparently. I guess we picked a good spot. There they are.
His brother asked him to step in and essentially adopt the child and help the child's mother with whatever she needed. He asked my opinion, and I said it was an honor.
Yeah, everybody's in the circle probably. Or near the circle. Ooh, bounty, so then we have some more excitement. There we go. Bounty board. Okay, there you go. You can run them over if you want, I don't really care. If you have enough gas, that is. He has columbaries. Oops, I accidentally put that down. That was my bad. I was trying to no, well, we could probably always find another one. Flare guns, they can also be used to find enemies if you shoot them up in the air. They can mark enemies. Like, look, there's one right there. Oh yeah, Spider-Man. Yeah, that's really useful. Get around faster though. There you go. What more Columba berries, seriously? Wow, 12. We can use them just in case. Like, yep. Wait, I hear people. I have special effects on, so. And I can hear when they're walking, too. Well, I can. For some reason, this sounds weird, but I can see when they're walking. Because it literally tells me when they're walking. And look, see, there's a car, or. Oh, wait, that's Quad Crusher. Let me just eat these. Eat these two. Mushrooms. Like I said, we're probably never gonna run into Columbo right now. No, I know there's one near where the Spider-Man stuff is, which is the Daily Bungle. Yeah, there's like Columba berries near there, and then a while then, and then I see Columbo there. You just have to wait for him to calm down if he gets shot. He doesn't like that. Oh. Well, we're not that close. We're close to where we need to go, so, dude, come on. You go forward. Slide, buddy. There you go. Almost in a minute. Dude, you're gonna die. No, I don't want you to die, man. You die. There you go. Oh, there you are. There you go. I killed him. There you go. He dead. There you go. I need to get his loot. That's medkits. Not necessarily. I'll just use the band-aid. The band-aid. I don't know. Columba berries are good too, but I think this. Just leave this medkit here. Like I really didn't have anything good anyway. I really don't care. Really, you're gonna try to kill him? Get his legendary gun like that. I'm like sniping him right now. He doesn't even care. Oh, now he does. Oh wait, he looked back at me like, did you do anything? No. Okay. Oh my god. Please, I need ammo for my gun. Seriously though, that doesn't help. I need at least an ammo box. Wait, is he dead? Is that dead? Oh. Okay, I think, no, he doesn't see me, okay. Oh, now he sees me. He's like, oh no! Now he sees me, finally. Oh! You got bad aim, dude. Come on. You could do better. Never mind, I'm dead. Come on, he doesn't kill dying people, so. Dude, you're gonna have to kill him from behind. He's not looking. Kill him. Wait, I'm coming. Don't get too close to him. I think it's peaceful now because nobody caught him yet. These are berries. We didn't see Columbo yet anyway. I still have a Spider-Man. I really forgot. Hey dude, get back over here. Using Spider-Man is a violation now. Let me get that banana right over there on his butthole. Oh, I got him on his butthole. I really did. When he was trying to build, he's like, what? Oh no. I'll burn him. No. No, I need armored walls. Come on, man. I really don't care. They get me. Oh man, I could have just saved you instead. Let's play again.